In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this burning cigar image. Let's create a cylinder. Let's type R to rotate the cylinder like this. S and X to scale the mesh on the X axis. Tab to go to edit mode, and type 2 to edge select. Let's alt select this edge loop and press Ctrl B to bevel. Please use mouse wheel up to add more segments. Right click to shade smooth. Let's do the same for the front edge loop. This time, let's type 3 to face select to select the front face. Type I as in India multiple times to extrude inward like this. I'll move the selected face proportionally by typing G and X. Mouse wheel up or down to increase or decrease the affected region. I'll expand the selection by pressing Ctrl numpad plus. If your keyboard doesn't have numpads, please use this menu item. Shift D to duplicate, and Enter to settle. P to separate by selection. In edit mode, let's randomize the separated faces. S and X to scale on the X axis. I'll add a bright material for this mesh. Let's press Shift D to duplicate, and R to rotate. Let's try that one more time. This last mesh will have an emission shader. This will represent a burning cigar. Let's duplicate this mesh, rotate it, and apply an orange emission shader. I'll add a material for the cigar mesh, and add a ground plane. Let's move this mesh upward a bit, and make sure the burning part is aligned with the world center. I was going to make a smoke control tutorial, but I had to change it to the cigar modeling tutorial, because I have encountered multiple issues while making it. I ended up spending more than an hour after trying a lot of things and found it would be better to make another tutorial for the smoke simulation part in the future. I'll briefly explain how that smoke was made. I selected the orange emission mesh, and pressed F3 to add quick smoke. After that, I have scaled the smoke domain like the one shown on the screen. I went to the Shading tab to change the smoke details and adjusted the smoke domain settings. Here are my quick smoke settings for the orange emission mesh. Here are my smoke domain settings. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.